Welcome to our Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore data types and type casting in Python. Understanding how to work with different data types and knowing their limitations is crucial for effective programming. So, let's get started. In Python, data types define the kind of data that a variable can hold. Let's begin by understanding the common data types in Python. Numeric data types comprises of integer and float, while text data type consists of string. There are four collection data types in the Python programming language: list, tuple, set and dictionary. We will have closer look at each of the data type. Numeric data types are used to represent numbers. Let's take a closer look with some examples. Integers are whole numbers and they represented with int. Variable like age and price here are integers as they are whole numbers, which mean they do not have a decimal. Contrary, float are decimal numbers, e.g. length is 59.99 and duration is 125.67. The str data type represents text, which is a sequence of characters or let's say words or sentences. Here are a few examples. Name is John Doe and hello, Python, in message variable. Sequence data types are used to store collections of items. Let's explore them with examples. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable. It allows duplicate members. It is created using square brackets. Tuple is also a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. It also allows duplicate members. However, it is created using round brackets. Both tuple and list can consist integers, floats, strings and dictionary. Range is a sequence of numbers. To create a range you need to pass three arguments: start, end and interval is optional. Start is inclusive and end is exclusive, which means the range will include the start number but not the end value. Interval means how many numbers to skip. Mapping data type is dictionary. It's a collection which is ordered and changeable. It is a combination of key-value pairs and there are no duplicate members in the key. They are created with curly bracket. Each key and value pair is separated with a colon. Like you can see in the examples of person where name is key and John is value. Set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. It does not have duplicate members. Similar to dictionary, it is also created with curly brackets. Boolean data type is used for true and false. On a lighter note, true represents 1 and false represents 0. Let's use type function to figure out the data types we have studied. Fantastic work! You now understand Python data types and how to perform typecasting. Always remember the limitations to avoid potential issues in your code. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.